Welcome to my channel, Silky's Closet, February 2018 haul and purchases. I went to Primark. They have their spring summer stuff coming in, their clothes. It's really fashionable. They got nice colourful yellow pieces, blue pieces, they have suede pieces in. I'm going to go back to Primark. But I bought a few bits, so I had a little bit of look around. It was a small one, so it didn't have all the stuff. But these trousers I like. I got a similar pair from Next, and they're in black. They're really cool. They're £13. Primark is not that cheap anymore. They're kind of like high street prices. Size 12. They're pull on. They got string and these funky embellishments on the front, zips and pockets, and they're light and thin and comfy for spring. They got these cuff bottoms which are really cool. They look nice and you can see your shoes and your socks, but they're a bit difficult to take off. A little fake back pocket on the back. So these cool coral, salmon, pinky, I don't know what colour they are, but they're nice. They had other type of colours like this, grey, black, they're all nice, so I chose these for spring. So first item from Primark. I wanted to get some clips and bobbles, so I went to Primark and I went to a small one, so they didn't have the whole big selection, but I still bought some, and they're much cheaper than Claire's and Tesco and Asda and everywhere. So these are £1 each. They got some funky colours on there, pink, all different kinds of colours, black, funky patterns and colours on them. There's a 12 pack on each, so these are £1 each. I also bought her some bobbles. These are £1 each as well. 30 pack, like funky colours, cool colours, much cheaper than anywhere else. So you want to buy your kids bobbles, clips and all these type of things, accessories, Primark is the place to go. Nice and cheap, nice and fashionable. £4 for the lot. Next item is from Sports Direct. These are actually men's slippers, but I like to wear them in the house with my regular socks and cozy socks. They're size 8 and they're good for wearing around the house. I have a bit of back pain. They're good to do dishes and stuff in because they've got support and arches. They were £8. They said 2 for 12. Some cool slippers to wear around the house. From Sports Direct. Boys school uniform, black trousers from Tesco. My son has been going through these, ripping holes in the knee, so I'm having to keep buying them. These were £5 from Tesco. They have adjustable waist, a little tag inside where you can write their name and class and details on them. It says reinforced knees, and this shield and clean plus Teflon material which is repellent to water, oil and stains. Regular boys trousers, a clip, a zip, pockets from Tesco Direct. I ordered online and collected it the next day from my local Tesco, which is right around the corner, for free. A few items we bought from Ikea. This lamp is the one that we use for our lighting when we do our recording. This is from Ikea. I'll put the details in the description. This was £9 and it doesn't have a base, so we attach it to a wooden stand with a clamp. So it opens up, this moves around a bit. The base is like this, so we have to put it in a clamp, and it comes with a clamp. It has a switch, plug, the TERTIAL lamp. This is the clamp. This is the clamp, so we put the lamp in this clamp and attach it to the wooden stand that's on the floor. So what we're going to do is, the remainder of this video, we're going to add this light. We already have 2, and you can see the difference in the light. And this is the light bulb that we put in it. This will be in the description. This is £7 light bulb. Okay, so we're back. We added the extra lamp, so you can see is much brighter. So the final items from Ikea. First is this pack of 6 glasses. These cost £3.50. Quite a funky design. It comes in a easy to carry package box, so that's good. And the last item is another pack of 6 glasses. These are the same design, they're just taller, so these are £3.50. Quite cool. The final item today on the February 2018 haul are these interlocking mats. My husband bought these. They're quite cheap. They're mats that you can lock together with these little things like a jigsaw. They're good for doing yoga, Pilates, exercise on the floor. My son does BJJ, so he bought them so he can roll around on the floor with my son. They're good for kids. You can do other bits and pieces on them. We'll put the link of all the items in the description. There's 4 in a pack. There was the pink and blue ones in one pack, and we bought another pack which had black and grey. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. March 2018 haul and purchases coming soon.